Sa lahat ng taong nagdaan,
kasiyahan o kalungkutan,
always there for each other, kinaya natin together. Forever, forever, family is forever. Inahisa tayo ng Diyos at pag-ibig, may isang puso at isang tinig. Forever, forever, family is forever. Forever, forever, family is forever. Family is forever.
Kailan pinakamadilim, mga tala ay mas nagniningning. Sa likod nito ay may liwanag. Liwanag na ito'y nasa ating lahat. May sinagang bawat pusong bukas.
Sa inim ng mga yakap, maghihilom ang lahat ng sugat.
Ang nagsipiling kong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo,
Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Forever, forever, family is forever. Forever, forever, family is forever.
Salamat sa pag-ibig, nasubok ng panahon. Ngunit liwanag lalo na sa ngayon.
Ngayong Pasko'y pag-ibig ang kailangan ng daigdig. Kay ganda ng lahat, if we will just love. Ngayong Pasko'y pag-ibig ang kailangan ng daigdig.
kay ganda ng lahat. If we will just love, if we will just love.
Ikaw ang aking pahinga.
Forever, forever, family is forever. Forever, forever, family is forever.
I am forever grateful because despite the challenges, God always provides for my family, blessing us with His guidance and unwavering love.
I'm forever grateful because I have a loving daughter and son.
Forever grateful for God's protection and mercies in my life and for His guidance throughout my stay in Korea. And on a lighter note, I'm grateful because I'm the only black dude in the midst of white, beautiful people.
I am forever grateful because I'm still
Sa
alive.
lahat pang darating,
Forever grateful for what I have.
Forever grateful for the good health all throughout the
always
year.
there for each other, kinaya natin together. Forever, forever, family is forever. Isa
forever grateful.
Forever grateful dahil I am GFC.
Forever grateful kasi maraming blessings dumating.
I am forever grateful because healthy yung family ko, yung kids ko, at saka yung mga friends ko. That's all.
I am forever grateful because I am abundantly blessed.
Salamat sa pag-ibig, nasubok ng panahon. Dala nito'y liwanag lalo na sa ngayon. Ngayong Pasko'y pag-ibig, ang kailangan ng daigdig, kay ganda ng lahat.
Forever grateful dahil nakasama sa GFC si Gaylan.
I'm forever grateful because I am with GFC